Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. The CEO of Shiba Inu told everyone what will happen in 48 hours. News about Shiba Inus today. The crypto market lost money on Thursday after the US Federal Reserve raised rates by an extra 75 basis points. Even though Bitcoin saw small drops, top stars like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were in the red. Bitcoin stayed above its most recent support line at $20,000, while Polygon and Uniswap both went up. We'll talk about what the CEO of Shiba Inu said will happen in 48 hours in this film. News about Shiba Inus today. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the movie right away on November 3 road. Most crypto tokens were selling down, but some altcoins and stablecoins were up. There were big drops for a lot of cryptocurrencies today. Dogecoin fell 7% and Shiba Inu fell 4%. But Rectangle went up by more than 6%. At $1.1 trillion, the world cryptocurrency market cap was slightly lower. It has dropped more than 1% in the last 24 hours. The total amount of trade, on the other hand, jumped almost 40% to $102.76 billion. Shiba Inu showed a lot of positive strength in the last few days of October after last week's bullish trade idea worked out. The price of the Shib shows a few signs that the trend will continue. To figure out what to do next, key steps have been set. Shiba Inu's price shocked the cryptocurrency market when the well-known joke coin went up 55% in the last week of October. In last week's bullish theory, when Shib was trading at 1,090 cents, it was said that a 20% rise would likely test the bearish liquidity levels close to 1,350 cents. The bulls proved the positive trade idea and then some by making a monthly high at the last minute at 1,509 cents. The price of a Shiba Inu is currently being auctioned at 1,189 cents. Bears were hesitant to short the price after it went above day traders' expectations. Shib is down 21% since its new high in October. A lot of trades came in during the rise, and the relative strength index broke through the oversold area. The price of a share is now just above the exponential moving average of the last 8 days. This is the first time we've seen the moving average again since the bullish cross on October 27th, which set off the extra 30%. The RSI is still in a bullish range, which means the rise is likely to continue. Because of these things, the price might make it hard for new sellers to get close to the monthly high at 1,509 cents. If the price goes up from where it is now, the market value will go up by 30%. If the bears break through the 1,040 cents liquidity zone, which is located below the 21-day simple moving average, the bullish theory could be shown to be false. A break below the low point could lead to another drop toward 970 cents. If the invalidation situation came true, the price of Shiba Inus would drop by 17%. A Twitter user named ShibaPlay_ has shared a lot of information from an Ether scan about how the Shiba Inu joke coin has been used a lot in the last 24 hours. The biggest one had at least 100 billion Shib in it. It was worth 202,438,224,930 coins for the biggest one. The unnamed holder moved a total of 847.9 billion dog coins. Whale watched 202,438,224,930. As a result of these trades, 100 billion Shib were moved to the exchange so they could be sold. The amount of money that is equal to 850 billion Shib is $10,268,000. Before that, David Goldstein, founder of Goldstein Media and a well-known figure in the Bitcoin world, said he was going to buy more Shiba Inus to add to his collection. He was going to get a little more than 2 million meme coins. He made it official that he backs Shib by saying that he loves Shiba Inus and Doge coins, no matter what maximalists in these groups think of him for backing a different coin. Shib has lost 15% of its value since its latest high point of $0. 1,415 over the past few days. The price trades in a range at 1,203 cents. The latest news about the launch of Shibarium in June 2022 has been shared by Builders Unification. It includes the Shiba Inu layer. Unification showed that Shibarium's public beta testing could start in the third quarter of 2022 or later. And thankfully, the people who worked on Shiba Inu couldn't get Shibarium out in the third quarter of 2022. So, people on social media were very angry and wanted to know what was going on with the team's work on the Shibarium launch. The main person who worked on Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, said that people keep asking him about when Shibarium will be out. Kusama replied that it would be shown off soon, but he didn't give any more details. The Unification Foundation is working hard to make a safe product that can be used with the vision, the foundation said in a blog post. We hear and think about the question of when this project will be finished every day, but it's much more important for us to work with and support the team to make sure the goal and product are as safe and useful as possible. The official player's guide for Shiba Eternity came out on November 3, 2022, from Shiba Inu. The book is 150 pages long and came out in 4 separate parts. People were sorry for the one-day delay, and Satoshi Kusama gave hints about when Shibarium might be released in test. He said that the Shiba Eternity and Shibarium would be promoted together to get ready for the beta release. Additionally, Kusama talked about Shiba Eternity's recent big successes, such as getting over 250,000 downloads on iOS and Android and solving bugs in the game. Besides that, he said the game update would come out later that month. Shiba Eternity Law will be a unique NFT drop in the game. Drop NFT on OpenSea. The prices of the art run from 0.1 to 1000 E. The Unification Foundation has also said that their partnership with the Shibarium team will stay a top priority for the rest of the year. The team also said they would do everything they could to make sure the Shibarium launch went well and get ready for the public test release. The builders of Shibarium said in an educational post release that Unification brought to light some ongoing work on the alpha version. They said that the internal alpha is still being improved every day so that it can meet the needs of the huge number of people who are looking for it. After that, the core team worked very hard on our advisory and is almost ready for a public test release. The answer is soon, and we're excited to help, improve, and make a public update for the product soon. There are less than 7 days left until the midterm elections in the US. All 435 places in the House and 35 of the 100 seats in the Senate are up for grabs this year. From what we know, the stock market usually does better after midterm elections. Some buyers think that crypto will also go up after November 8th, which is election day. A report by Charles Schwab says that the stock market did better in the 6 months after an election than it did in the 6 months before. This is because the correlation between Bitcoin and big stock indexes has been high for 17 of the 19 midterm elections since 1946. Maurice DiBartolomeo, Chief Strategy Officer and co-founder at Ledon, says